Yesterday we took a survey. I asked you about yourself. I asked you about your eye color, favorite animal or pet, favorite flavor of ice cream, favorite color, and color of your hair. Why do you think I did that? It is because all those are data points. Today we are going to use those data points to make a bar graph. The graph will represent what the most common eye color is in the class, what the class's favorite ice cream flavor is, and what class's favorite color is. Will your eyes be on the most popular color? Will your ice cream be the most popular flavor? There is no right or wrong answer here. It's just data. Let's take a look at the data and see what it tells us. Okay, when we create bar graph, first thing we're going to do is title the bar graph. I'm going to do, what color are your eyes? So the title of my bar graph is going to be, what color are your eyes? I titled my bar graph, what color are your eyes? Now I'm going to set up the axis. The axis is going to give us our dependent and independent variables. Okay, this one side is going to have the number of students. I'm going to put that down. Number of students. And on the bottom of the chart, I'm going to put eye color. Eye color. I'm going to start with brown. Then I'm going to green, blue, hazel, and other. That goes at the bottom of the graph. Next, I'm going to put the number of students. We'll start with 0, then we'll go to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12. Right there on the side. Next, I'm going to color in the number of students whose eye color it has. We have 7 students with brown eye color, so I'm going to put it up to 7. I'm going to shade that in. 7. A little less than 8, a little more than 6. 7. Next was green. We had 2 students with green. So I shaded that in. 2 students with green. Next is blue. We had 10 students with blue. Ten students with blue. Then I'm going to go for hazel. We only had 1 student with hazel eyes. And we had 0 with other color. 0 with other color. what does that tell us? Well, let's see. There's 10 students with blue eyes, and there's 7 with brown. So that leaves us, there's a difference of 3 students. 3 more students have blue eyes than they do brown eyes in our classroom. That's pretty interesting. Let's see, there's 2 with green eyes, and there's 1 with hazel eyes. So there's 1 more student with green eyes than there is with hazel eyes in this class. Okay? Now get out your chartboards, and we're going to go and plot and make another graph. This time you're going to make a graph with me, okay? We'll do this together. We're not going to name it color of eyes because we don't have color of eyes. Okay, let's have a look at what is your favorite, which ice cream do you like best? What do you think we're going to name this graph? Favorite ice cream. Class's favorite ice cream. That's what we're going to name our graph. Class's favorite ice cream. Okay. Now we're going to draw the axes. On the left-hand side, we're going to put number of students. We're going to start with 0, then we're going to put 2 next up to it, then 4, then 6, then 8, 10, and 12 at the very top. Just like this. Everyone got it? Good. Okay, on the bottom, we're going to start with vanilla. Then we're going to put chocolate. We'll cut chocolate short. Then we'll put strawberry. Then other. Your chart should look something, your pie graph should look something like this. Next, we're going to put in the data. Our data says 7 students like the vanilla flavor more. So we're going to put 7 on vanilla. Color that in. 7 on the vanilla. Next, chocolate. 9 students like chocolate better than they do. 9 students prefer chocolate. So we're going to put that in there. It looks something like that. And we have 3 students who prefer strawberry. Three students who prefer strawberry. And at last, we have 1 who likes another flavor. One who liked another flavor. Now what does this chart tell us? What does this pie graph tell us? Well, let's see. We had 9 students who liked chocolate, and we had 7. So how many more students prefer chocolate over vanilla? That's right, there's 2 more. And how many students preferred strawberry, chocolate over strawberry? Let's see, there's 3 who like strawberry, and there's 9. So that leaves us with how many students preferred That's right, it'd be 6 more. Good job. So what else can we learn from this? There's one who liked one other flavor. That flavor could be almost any kind, Rocky Road or whatever. It's just what they prefer. There's no right or wrong answer, like I said. It's all about the data and the stats. Okay? Now, it's time for you to make a chart on your own. Okay? I'm going to erase mine, and I'm going to give you the data, and you are going to chart it out and make a bar graph. Let's do the class's favorite color. Okay? I'm going to give you the data and put it out. What's the first thing that you're going to do? You're going to label your chart. And what are you going to call it? That's right. Favorite color. Okay. Now we're going to set it up. We're going to draw our axes. We're going to draw the L and make it long. And on the left-hand side, we're going to start with number 0 at the bottom. Then you're going to label it on up through, just like we did the other ones. Okay. Now we're going to plug in our data. The data says we're going to start with red. Then we're going to go to blue. Then we're going to go yellow. Then we're going to go with orange. Okay, starting with red. There are 10 students in the class who prefer red. So what are we going to do? We're going to draw our bar up to remember, 10 students prefer red. Now we come to blue. 7 students prefer blue. Seven students prefer blue. Then we're going to go to yellow. 2 students like the yellow color best. Then we're going to go to orange. And only 1 student liked the orange color. Okay? Okay, looking at the chart, tell me how many students like the red? Okay, 10 students like the red. How many students like the orange? Only 1 student liked the orange. This is according to our bar graph. This is all information we can get off the bar graph. How many students like the blue? Looking at our bar graph, I can see that 7 students preferred the blue. And how many students like the yellow? 2 students like the yellow. How many more students like yellow than orange? Well, I have 1 person liking orange. I have 2 people liking the yellow. So that means 1 more person preferred yellow over orange. Looking at the bar chart again. How many students like blue over orange? Let's see, I have 7 students who like blue, and only 1 like the orange. So there's 6 more, because 7 minus 1 is 6. So there's 6 more students that preferred blue over orange. And overall, red is the favorite class color. Okay, today we made bar graphs and found out what the class's favorite things are. We also made observations and compared the difference between the things on the graph. What goes on the left side of the bar graph? That's right. It's the number of students. And what goes at the bottom of the bar graph? That's right. It's what the preferred item was, whether it be a color, ice cream flavor, hair color, eye color, whatever it was. That goes on the bottom. So the bottom is your independent variable, and the side is your dependent variable. Okay? We'll go over some more tomorrow. Thank you much.